What can I say? I'm a fat kid. You know, one of my biggest struggles with food is junk food. My guilty pleasure is ice cream. Pretty much just ice cream. If you're not seeing the fat loss or the weight loss, and you're following this concept of cheat meals, and you think you're eating in a caloric deficit, here's what you need to do. It's likely your cheat meals, which actually turn into cheat weekends, right? You start, like, before you know it, you have a cheat meal on Friday night, but then it bleeds into Saturday, and Saturday bleeds into Sunday. And before you know it, 3 out of the 7 days, almost 50% of the time, you're eating way too many calories than you're supposed to. And so the weekend is completely sabotaging your efforts. Maybe you're good between Monday through Friday, but more than likely, you're only really good Monday through Thursday, which was me for a big chunk of time. 2019, I got up to 224 pounds. In my opinion, no guy under 6 foot should be over 200 pounds. That's just my opinion. But it's because my cheat days would start on Friday sometimes and bleed into the weekend. So here's what I did to get clear on why I wasn't seeing progress. And maybe this will help you out. Track how much you're eating. Track what you're eating. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Because that's usually when you're gonna fall apart, right? On the weekends. Track everything. Track the pizza, track the ice cream, track the candy, track everything. When I did this, I was consuming over 10,000 calories just on Saturday and Sunday alone. And and if there was a week that I cheated on Friday, we're talking 13 to 14,000 calories over 3 days. And then Monday through Thursday, I was eating better. And before I knew it, 3 to 5 pounds were creeping on every single year. So from 2013 to 2019, a 6-year period, I put on about 5 pounds a year for 6 years, going from 195 to 224. 10% body fat to like 20% body fat. Didn't recognize myself in the mirror. Hated the way my clothes fit. Guilt, shame, all kinds of stuff came into that. And before you even think about saying, well, it's okay, just accept who you are. BS. Truth is, when you look better, you feel better. So here's what I did. Here's what I encourage you to do. Track your calories that you consume from Friday to Saturday. That's it. I don't care how clean or how dirty the calories are. I don't care how clean the gains or how dirty the gains are. That will give you external objective feedback. After that, figure out what your maintenance calories are. Let's say your maintenance calories are 2,500 calories a day. Let's say, because that's about what mine are. 2,500 calories a day, which is about 17,500 calories in a week. So if your maintenance calories are 2,500 calories a week, or 2,500 calories a day, that's about 17,500 calories in a week. So if you eat 17,000, so me, if I eat 17,000 calories a week, I will not gain or lose any weight, because that's my maintenance, that's my baseline. Now, when I tracked for those 3 days, I was consuming anywhere between 10 to 14,000 calories. Subtract that from your maintenance for the week. So let's say on a bad week when I would cheat Friday night, and then all day Saturday for the most part, and then Saturday and Sunday, 14,000 calories. That only leaves me with 3,000 calories Monday through Thursday, which is less than 1,000 calories a day. And so if you're eating better, if you're eating good, eating clean Monday through Thursday, and let's say you're hitting your maintenance calories, 2,000, 2,500 calories, but then on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you're crushing 10 to 14,000 calories, that's why you're gaining weight. That's why you're not seeing progress. That's why you're not seeing the results. So before you say, I'm doing everything and I'm trying everything, before you say, I'm eating a caloric deficit and I'm not losing weight, that's a lie. That's a lie we tell ourselves to make us feel better. That's a lie that we tell ourselves to make us feel, well, I'm trying. No, there is no trying. But you'll really never know the answer unless you track and figure out what the heck is going on. So if you feel like you're trying, if you feel like you're eating below maintenance and you're not seeing the weight loss results that you want, track Friday through Sunday, track everything. The pizza, the candy, the beer, track it all. That will give you objective feedback on how many calories you're eating in 3 days. Then figure out what your maintenance calories are. You can find that online. Go to Google, go to YouTube, you can find your maintenance calories. Everybody's gonna be different. Find your maintenance calories. Subtract the difference. That's how many calories you can eat for the rest of the week if you're gonna continue to live the lifestyle that you're gonna live. So when I know that I'm gonna have a party or something at the end of the weekend on a Saturday or a Sunday, I calculate that in. Right, so if I can only eat 17,000 calories and know I'm probably gonna eat 5,000 calories on Saturday, that leaves me with 12,000. I divide that over the other 5 or 6 days, and that's what allows me to continue to hit my targets, allows me to stay lean, which by the way, I've lost pretty much all the weight that I gained. Track your calories Friday through Sunday. That'll give you objective feedback on why you're not seeing the results that you think you should be seeing.